Hi guys, Rick here with Vapor Honing Technologies and Vapor Blast Manufacturing Company. We've got a sprocket here that a customer wants us to blast and get off some of the paint. He's restoring an old motorcycle and wanted to show you what it looks like before. And then I'm going to show you what it looks like after. We're going to be using the Weekend Warrior here with mixed abrasive. It's going to have glass bead and a little bit of aluminum oxide, and I'll show you the end result. Hi guys, so here's the finished product after about 2 minutes of blasting. I just wanted to do it real quickly so you guys could see how quickly it removed the paint. I've obviously got some more fine details to work on here to get it all the way clean, but I just wanted to do it quickly so you guys could see it. So if you want to get the paint off a little bit quicker, it's just a matter of messing with your mixture with your abrasive, maybe using a little bit more aluminum oxide. Right now we're using a 4 parts to 1 part, 4 parts glass bead, 1 part aluminum oxide. But you know, if you wanted to increase the speed, obviously just put a little more aluminum oxide in, and that will help take the paint off a little bit quicker. But yeah, just wanted to show this to you and show you how quickly and easily this is done. If you have any questions, please give us a call. We're happy to help. Phone number is 828-202-5563. Thanks, and we'll see you on the next one.